are tracking Hurricane Lee, now a Category 1 system, which is forecast to become a major hurricane by Friday. The Local 10 weather team is here.
And hurricane specialist and storm surge expert Michael Lowry and chief certified meteorologist Betty Davis are here with the latest on Lee. And Betty, we start with you.
Good afternoon. This Category 1 hurricane is 1,130 miles east of the northern Leeward Islands. Maximum sustained wind 75 miles per hour. It is moving west-northwest at 14 miles per hour. Here is the projected path as well as the intensity forecast from the National Hurricane Center, and they still show that it rapidly intensifies, becoming a major hurricane heading into the weekend, reaching Category 4 strength by Saturday. Look at that, maximum sustained winds 150 miles per hour. But do take note of where it tracks. It is expected to stay away from the Leeward Islands, staying north of these islands along this trajectory. Michael, you did say at the top of the last hour that you expected this to be a hurricane with this next update, and here we are. A lot of people still interested in this forecast track, though it is forecast to stay away from these islands, some fringe impacts, but people want to know, where does it go beyond Monday?
Yeah, absolutely, Betty. I mean, this is what they're forecasting here is the upper echelon of hurricanes that we only see, maybe once a year, if that, in the Atlantic Ocean. Take a look at the satellite here for Hurricane Lee. No surprises really, Betty, with the new advisory from the Hurricane Center. As you look at the satellite, this is a sort of a textbook outflow of this system. You can see the clouds just streaming out in all directions, telling us that the upper level wind pattern is conducive for this to continue to organize and to grow. We did get a microwave satellite picture just moments ago that showed sort of a nascent eye wall forming. You can't quite see it on the conventional satellite here, but the center of this is right on the edge of where those deepest, strongest thunderstorms are, the warmest colors that you're seeing there. Once it wraps completely around, once those red colors wrap completely around where the center is, it's going to strengthen very quickly, and it may already be doing so. In terms of where this is headed, Betty, we have high pressure steering to the north of this. That's going to guide this off to the west-northwest over the next few days. We're very confident with that. In fact, speaking of confidence, our computer models have been very consistent in terms of this staying to the north of the island. So, there is some wiggle room here, and this could get close enough to have certainly have some fringe impacts there in the Lesser Antilles all the way over to Puerto Rico for the weekend into early next week. But for the most part, the core of this, certainly we expect to stay to the north of the islands. The big question, though, for us is what happens beyond that point into early next week? Well, we have a big dip in the jet stream. That's like a good defensive line, and that's going to protect Florida at the very least from this one getting far enough west to impact our weather. We may see some rip current impacts, but this is going to turn into early next week. The question, though, Calvin and Nicole, is where does it head? Does it go toward the eastern seaboard? Does it go toward Bermuda? Still left to be seen, so we'll keep you posted here in the days ahead.